Hello, friends. We all need money to maintain or to live in our life. So, money is an energy. How we assimilate it or accumulate it, the source matters, the work matters. In Indian Vedic philosophy, it is said that the money should be accumulated or earned in the dharmic way. Yes, money is needed, but our attitude also matters a lot. How we spend the money. If a person is spending a money with happy, I mean to say paying his bills or helping a person with full of joy and happy, you will get it in back in returns in multiple. See, I mean to say, if you are spending the money with in a depressed or in a weeping or in a sad emotion, that money will only attract such things. So, with joy and happy, if we spend our money, we will attract the money, abundance in a flow. The one thing is that we all have got an internal world or internal consciousness. According to that only, we vibrate and we assimilate that only. So even if we doesn't have money, even a single rupee or a single dollar with us, we should not I mean to say, we should not create a thought that I don't have the money with me. See, because the I am or the universal conscious is within us, and the internal world, if we say that I am poor, the vibration which we create is the I am poor, and we will attract that things which makes or elevate us into a poor mode. So we should maintain happy, and while even we can donate or do the charity work at least 1% from our earnings, that will help us for flourishing only, to elevating us only. When we create a vibration that donation, we are giving the charity of work, the nature thinks that these persons need more money for doing the charity works, and according to that only we receive a lot of money. So the law of attraction also is that if we bless a person, we get that. If we curse a person, we get that. So we should maintain a peace of state in our mind. With joy, we should spend our money. Yes, planning is needed. Just mere thinking about the money and doing the fantasy without sitting idle in a place won't get or attract money. We need to do our work. In between, our thought, our attitude should also be maintained in a good manner. So, more things are there regarding the money matters. Say, of course, a planning is a must in our life. Certain people, they do charity work, and they take voluntary retirement after an age, and they fix a limit for their earnings, or they and after that they spend the money for the charity work and all. So money matters a lot. Even our forefathers has accumulated money, and sometimes that might be our source. And the energy, as I had told earlier, the energy matters a lot. How the person has earned that money, that karma or that energy is packed, or it contains that consciousness in that. So we spend the money for food, our clothes, our education purpose for our children, the medicines, and all. If that money is used, if it is not a dharmic way, that affects a lot. These are the few things related to the money and the energy source of money. Thank you for watching my video and supporting me. May divine bless you all. Thank you.